Okay, today's trade recap on the 13th. I had a big red day, so get into it. Negative $1,248.99. So trade two stocks, RKDA and Roku. So RKDA, so it actually gapped up pre-market $8.80, and then it gave it all back. So there was definitely a lot of hype on this stock. Um, People were definitely talking about it going back up, ripping like it did before. It ripped to $66.56 the last time it was ripping like this. And just I made my trading game plan. I even talked about this stock. It said the stock's looking weak, and I still formed a bias. I listened to what other people were saying. Oh, this stock's gonna rip. It's gonna rip. Let's look for it to rip at the open. And so I bought in at the double bottom here, 675 level. I was like, okay, if it does dump, I'm just gonna add. So I added at the washout, and then I should have got out here. I could have got out for break even plus like 12 bucks, and I held, having the bias saying, oh, this thing's gonna rip at least one time. It never ripped, so it pulled back. I added a third time at the double bottom. Let's see if I can get out for break even at this time. So forget about making profit, and it just didn't happen. So once it broke the low of this double bottom, this support, I sold, took a loss, $1,159.94. So yeah, don't trade and have a bias. Okay, it's very important to read the chart in front of you, take what the market gives you, and this is what the market gave me. So um, don't have hopes and dreams this thing's gonna rip, and when it doesn't, and you buy in prematurely and don't wait for confirmation, and it's gonna cost you. Sometimes it costs you a lot. So had very large size, had like 3,300 and something shares on this size. So big position, big loss. So that was my trade on RKDA. So this also was on my trading game plan. I was looking to get in actually the $137 level. So I was going to sell it for a 2 point move, 139. So I was stuck in that other trade, and I should have just got out, and I could have made some money on Roku. So after this is the backside of the move here. So I bought this pullback here. Should have got out. I was uh, greedy. Wanted to see it. I was looking for it to go up to $142 per share, and I never did that. So it pulled back here, and it didn't hold. So it was looking weak, and I just cut it off. I said, you know what? I'm just done. Took a $56 loss. I just had a 100 share position on here, and it was right around let's see, yeah, I was getting close to 10:30 versatile time. I didn't want to get in another trade. I was just pissed off and frustrated with the day. So just wanted to go over this daily real quick. So Roku, this is on the fourth day running, and so if you see this topping tail here, see how it's more than half the candle has been retraced. So this is a big reversal time. Reversal sign is the topping tail. So more than half the candles been erased, and so this thing's going down. So definitely looks like it's going down, and you can see it's downtrending. So again, my net P&L on the day, negative $1,248.99. Start tomorrow with just under $3,000. So not looking too good on the small account challenge to make it to 100K. If I make it, I make it. If I don't, I don't. So hopefully you guys can learn something. So don't have bias trading. It costs you a lot of money. So I'll get back at it tomorrow, see if there's anything moving, and if there's not, then I'm not going to take any trades. So definitely got to stick to rules, and when you break the rules, it's never good. So that's my trade recap.